Welcome to Averi Foods. My name is Akshay, and today I'm here to tell you about our products and our brand so that you can grow with us by taking our products to the next stage. So, first of all, the brand Averi represents traditional India in a healthier and modern avatar. I started this brand with my grandmother 3 years back, and today we have a manufacturing unit in India which supplies domestically as well as globally. So, our top selling product is our Dates Barfi Bite, which is a no added sugar dessert made with dates, nuts, and clarified butter. No added sugar, no jaggery honey, no artificial sweeteners, and best of all, no preservatives, additive, and yet it's a delicious, long lasting snack which has a shelf life of 12 months. If you ask us how, we'll tell you, but for now, we'll keep it a secret. And not just that, it comes in 6 delicious flavors. Let me show you the packing. So this is our 6-piece packing. Let me pick up a flavor. Let's pick up chocolate. This is how the chocolate box looks. Inside, you have convenient single serve packs, right? Again, in this, we have a bigger pack as well, which contains 2 pieces of each flavor, 12 pieces in total. Again, this is how the box looks. All right. Then we have our gift packings. Below you can see there are different sizes. I'm going to show you one of the box. This is a 360-gram box, 360-gram box, which contains all the 6 flavors. This is an assorted box. We have single flavors as well. Let me open and show you how it looks. All the burfis are stacked inside the box. We have a message, then beautiful burfis, which are packed in gold foil and then sleeved. Again, we have this assorted box as well as single flavor pieces as well. This is how they look. All right. Then we have different sizes. We have another size, which is the smaller size. This is only 12 pieces. Generally, this is what domestically sells more than the 360 grams. So this is how it looks from the inside. Right. This is how the box looks. Now, this is our hero product, but well, every hero needs a supporting cast. So, let me tell you about our other products. Now, the next product that we have is called a baked matri. Now, matri is a traditional Indian snack which is made with refined wheat flour and is deep fried. And it's been an age old snacking option for all the Indians. So, we being us, we added a healthier twist to this traditional snack and we made it with 100% whole wheat flour and baked it instead of deep frying. That means no refined flour, no palm oil, but all the amazing goodness of the traditional Indian snack. You can have this with your tea, coffee, or just when you feel the hunger pangs. Now come closer and let me show you all the packings and flavors that we have. Like I said, traditional Indian snack, but multiple flavors, right? So we have our methi, ajwain, achari, plain, which are the traditional flavors, and we do have modern flavors like peri peri and Italian herbs. Now, this is a small, convenient pack you can carry with yourself or just have it around when you're hungry. If you really like the flavors, you want to make it big, we have our bigger packs as well. This is how they look. This is the packing. Inside each pack, there is vacuum packed pieces, portion size to perfection, so that you can enjoy fresh matri every time. So now that we have had sweet and savory, it's time to spice things up. Well, these set of products are very close to my heart because these are the products we started our brand with, and they're also my grandmother's traditional recipes, and they've been loved all across India. So let me show you our range of delicious pickles. Now, these are traditional Indian pickles, of which dates pickle is our hero product. This is the product we started with, and then we added 6 more delicious pickles. Now, what's different about our pickles? Well, first of all, they are made with a lot of love. They're handmade in small batches. It's made in pure mustard oil. They contain no vinegar, artificial preservatives, or any of those things. And these pickles will elevate your meals every time. So we as a brand have been selling our products in the domestic market, and we have already started exporting to a couple of countries, and now we are looking for exclusive partnerships wherein we want our products to elevate people's life. So do contact us on the details given in this video, and we'll be happy to share our catalog and talk more about business.